To end our study of the broom dog in our Scholastic scope, we are going to write a response paragraph to the question, what was Canton afraid of and how did he overcome his fear? So you are going to be required to write a 5 to 7 sentence paragraph about the broom dog, and you're going to be responding to that question. Now, you will need to be doing some inferencing while you respond to that question because it's not right there in the text. Remember, when you are inferring, you're going to need to be thinking about your background knowledge as you write and infer what you think Canton was afraid of in the story. So not only will you be thinking about what happens in the story, but think about what has happened to you when you are afraid. Maybe think about, why did Canton continue being afraid? What was it that made him afraid even though he knew his mom was okay after the accident? Maybe think of questions like, how does Canton cope with his fear, and what does he do to overcome his fear? This is just a brief introduction to this writing response paragraph. I have made a number of videos that will introduce to you the different ways that we are going to write our paragraph. Of course, remember, when you begin writing, you always want to make sure that you plan your writing. That will be the first thing that we're going to do. And we will be planning our writing by generating ideas. Then we're going to organize our writing. And then we're going to be doing that through a bubble map. And then you are going to write. Okay, and you will be doing that on a Google document, and that will be the only thing that you need to submit to me. You will be working on this paragraph throughout the rest of this week. So you took the quiz over the broom dog on Monday. That was the scheduled day for it. And then you're going to spend the next 4 days, or that's the scheduled days for it, writing this paragraph. So you can stretch that out over 4 days, or you can get this done however you want to get it done, in 1 day, in 2 days, however you want to do these lessons. But this week's assignment will be to end up writing this paragraph, and that will be the only thing that you have left for this week.